From the moment you arrive through your private elevator foyer and custom oversized pivot door, you're welcomed into a residence where every detail has been thoughtfully curated. 10-foot ceilings create an airy, open feel, while floor-to-ceiling windows bathe the home in natural light and frame breathtaking views from every room. The expansive living space flows effortlessly onto a deep terrace that spans the entire length of the residence. Perfect for morning coffee or evening wine, with the skyline and ocean as your backdrop. The European-inspired kitchen is a showpiece of modern design, featuring Sub-Zero, Wolf, and Cove appliances, sleek quartz countertops, and modern cabinetry. It's both a chef's dream and an entertainer's delight. Paramount itself sets the standard for beachfront luxury. With just 95 residences across 18 stories, the building offers unmatched privacy and exclusivity. Residents enjoy white glove service with 24-hour valet, a fully automated garage, full-time security, and dedicated concierge through Paramount Attaché. The on-site spa and wellness center features steam rooms, massage suites, and a high-end fitness studio, while the club room and catering kitchen are ideal for hosting and style. And just outside your door, a lifestyle that feels like a permanent vacation. Indulge in the longest residential ocean view pool in Fort Lauderdale. Relax seaside at the building's signature Trulux restaurant, or enjoy direct access to the sand with exclusive beach club service. Surrounded by iconic views of Fort Lauderdale Beach, the Bonnet House Museum and Gardens, Birch State Park, and the Intracoastal Waterway. This is more than a home. It's a sanctuary, a statement, and an invitation to live beautifully every single day. Welcome to Paramount Fort Lauderdale Beach, presented by Pwayko, Skybank, and Francisco Garcia.